In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new trip on WP Travel Engine. This guide is perfect for those looking to add exciting new travel experiences to their website. Let's dive in and learn how to get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. It's the central hub where you manage your website's content and settings. If you're not sure how to get there, simply enter your website URL followed by WP admin and log in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, it's time to start creating your new trip. On the left menu, look for the Trips option. When you hover over it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Add New to begin crafting your next adventure. Now you're ready to enter your trip title. Think of this as the headline, grabbing the attention of potential travelers. Make it engaging and descriptive, like Bohol Island Tour, or whatever name best encapsulates your journey. Next, add your trip description in the content editor. Here, you'll want to provide detailed information about what your trip offers. Use vivid language to paint a picture of the experience, mentioning highlights and unique aspects that make the trip worthwhile. Once your description is in place, scroll down to the trip settings section. This is where you'll input critical details about your trip. Begin by setting the trip duration. This tells your travelers how long they can expect to spend on this journey. Following that, specify the group size. This helps set expectations for travelers on whether it will be a cozy, intimate group or a larger community adventure. Then set the trip price. Be clear and ensure that all costs are accounted for, so there are no surprises for your customers. Transparency is key here, as it builds trust with your audience. Don't forget to add a trip code. This is a simple way to track and manage each trip separately, especially helpful if you're planning multiple trips simultaneously. Now it's time to add itinerary details, trip facts, and any other relevant trip information. This section is crucial for providing travelers with all the specifics they need to plan effectively, such as daily activities and packing requirements. Next, upload a featured image for your trip. An eye-catching image can be a powerful tool in attracting interest, so choose a picture that showcases the essence of the trip. Over on the right panel, you'll need to choose a trip category and trip type. This makes your trip easily searchable for those visiting your site looking for specific kinds of experiences. Once all your information is filled out and reviewed, it's time to publish. Hit the Publish button to save your work and make the trip live on your website. To see your creation